Okay, so we're going to have a go at modelling something that would typically be very difficult to model in Revit, which is what I'm most familiar with. So let's try and use 3dsmax to its strengths. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and model a tablecloth or a blanket simulation. So we'll start by just modelling a very simple cafe table, if you like. So that's the base. Clone that. Post. Clone that again. Top. And we'll just move that up to the top. Okay, so we have a really basic cafe table. Now we need the tablecloth. So we'll get a plane and we'll just draw, about the right size for a cafe table. We'll bring that up above the coffee table, and we'll just make sure that that has enough segments to simulate a fabric. So we'll do 100 on each. You can see that's broken up into many different segments now. And we'll give it a little bit of a tilt. So what we're doing here is we're trying to sort of bring some irregularity to when it falls onto the table, it sort of gathers in a natural looking way. So we'll go back over to our modifier and we'll type in cloth and object properties, and then with the plane or the cloth selected, tick on cloth. We'll use the silk preset for this simulation, and then we need to add the other objects to the simulation, so the table is part of the simulation. So we've got base, post and top, add those, and with those selected, tick on collision object, hit OK, and then we can simulate local. And there you go, it drops onto the table in sort of a natural kind of looking manner.